The next thing we're going to talk about is reference positions. Reference positions are positions that you have saved and set so that when the robot is in that position or within the tolerance that you set, the robot will do something, such as turn on a digital output, set a flag, or whatever you need. So we've made this home position here before, and we're going to move to that one. So we press Shift, move to. Okay. To set this as a reference position so that the program and the PLC can know where this robot is, we're going to go to Menu, Setup, and Reference Positions right here. Now right here we only have 3 reference positions as default. You can change these values, but we're not going to cover how to do that in this video. So you can press Detail. We're going to give it a name. So we press Enter, Options, Keyboard, Home Position. Alright, so do we want to enable this reference position? Yes. Is this a valid home? Yes. Do we want this to send a digital output or robot output? No, we don't really need it to do that. If we have this saying it's a valid home, we can actually pull that data from the UOP signals if we really need it. But we don't have to worry about that right now. Now for the position right here, we have to record it, so we hold Shift, press Record, and it's done right there. So now we are at this position. We're going to actually go to I/O, type UOP. I will go over these in more detail at another time, but what I want you to pay attention to is this UO7, which is at home. When the robot is at this reference position, or any position that is a valid home, this output here will turn on. So as you can see, when we jog the robot out of this spot, it loses that at home position. Now reference positions can also be used for synchronized motions or for areas where the robot has to wait to confirm to the PLC that the robot is in the wait position. For instance, if you had a tool change door that had to rotate before the robot could pick up the tool, you could have the robot wait at a certain position, and as part of the safety for the door, you could use that robot's reference position. And while the robot is in that position, it'll be sending a digital output which would tell the PLC that it is in that position right there. You can also use reference positions for when you're working with multiple robots and you need one robot to be out of the way for now, and you will know it's at its wait position when its reference position is on. You have some tolerances right here which you can adjust if you need to. For instance, if you just need it to be in this general area, you can just put plus or minus 5 degrees here, and thus if we slow down the robot and move it a little, sorry, we actually have to go back to the home position first, so we are at least in the area. So if we're in this home position here and we just are within the general vicinity of it, this UO will still be on, or our digital output will still be on. So if we want to adjust the tolerance, we can. I recommend for home position you keep the default values of plus or minus 1 degree, because your home position is usually just the spot where the robot is meant to go before it starts any of its programs.